Hey there everyone, this is a course introduction of mastering algorithms. So let's get started. In this course, we will be covering all the data structures and problems associated with it. And let me tell you one thing before starting this course, that this course is not going to be less than any other premium courses available online, because you will not only learn the algorithm here but will also be able to think like a programmer and solve any other problems you come across in future. So before starting this course, here are some prerequisites. One should have a basic knowledge of Java, like syntax and all, and you should have Java 8 installed in your system, because we will be using Lambda functions throughout this course. And also you can have any IDE installed in your system like Eclipse, IntelliJ, STS. In this course we will be using IntelliJ. The data structures which we will be covering are like array, string, stack, queue, tree, graph, dynamic programming, greedy algorithms, and recursion. So before starting the data structure journey, there are some problems like basic one which any programmer should know before starting their data structure journey. So 12 basic problems to begin with are like palindrome string, palindrome number, factorial of a number, sum of numbers, Fibonacci series, string permutation, GCD or HCF, LCM, Armstrong number, recursion, power function, prime number. So in this course we will not only be using brute force approach but will also try to optimize our problems. So let's get started and see you again in the next movie.